Kamusta naman ang ating second Eat All You Can, mga kamarishe? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, marami kaming ginawang mali, pero mas marami kaming ginawang tama. So, i-share ko sa inyo what we did to make it better this time. Unang-una sa costing, hindi na muna kami nag-styling para makonsentrate ko muna lahat ng budget sa food. Kasi yun muna, yung portion muna ang gusto kong i-master. Yung last time kasi, towards the middle of the service, kulang-kulang na yung food na nakakain ng mga guests. For tables and chairs naman, pinahiram tayo ni Tetay's Rental ng rustic themed na folding chairs and rectangular mixed with round tables. This time, I also made sure that we have a huge parking space. I made sure that I look better this time because I did not expect the last time na marami talagang magpapapicture. And to add value not just to the food and the service, I wanted the venue to be something very memorable for our guests. So dito sa Tagbakin Lakeview, meron tayong alfresco which is at the rooftop and air condition which is at the ground floor, both overlooking the Taal Volcano. And ang dami nating mga kamare chef na nagulat na nag-e-exist itong place na to. This is our lunch set upstairs and we received nothing but good feedback. Some of our guests did their research before going and prepared extra clothes kasi plano nila mag-swimming. So ang saya-saya mga kamare chef. This time, mas organized ang registration because we have 2 admins manning the booth. This is lunchtime downstairs. May mangilan-ngilan pa rin tayong mga bisita na may dalang extra, pero this time, mas smoother ang registration. I-share ko rin yung mga bago kong natutunan today. Number 1, hindi ko na ipapadeliver yung ice. Number 2, iba talaga yung flow ng pagre-refill when it comes to an eat all you can. Mas mabilis siya, so hindi nagkaka-time uminit yung mga refills natin. So bukod sa two-way buffet, kailangan mo pa ng isang buffet mismo sa loob ng pantry area kung saan init lang ng init yung food para pag ni-refill mo siya, mainit na siya agad. Ganon kabilis ang turnover. Halos 2 taon na rin kami dito sa Lipa at dumadami na rin ang mga friendships ko. Ato na nga si Smoke Carven. May pasalubong pa talaga sa akin at sa team. After the lunch buffet, we had time to relax. That's between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. At nagka-oras pa sila para mag-tong eats. At ang pasimuno, si Chef Edward na pasaway. Ay, nako talaga may pusta pa talaga mga bariya. Tapos ako, aawa na ako kay Chef Buboy kasi talagang yung puyat pagod. So sabi ko, sige, massage muna kita. And here we are now preparing for the dinner set. We are expecting 74 guests. Mas konti ito compared sa lunchtime. Kaya nabakante yung buffet sa taas and we brought it downstairs para gawin naming heating for the refill. O, diba? So ayan, panibagong setup. Cleaning up the mess from the lunch set. Nakakapagod siya actually. Parang may 2 event. Ganun yung pakiramdam niya. At syempre, idadaan ulit natin sa tawa at biruan ng lahat para everybody happy. My family arrived. Nag-surprise visit si husband para kamustahin lang yung lagay namin. And the dinner set is already ready. We immediately applied what we learned from the lunch set na mas mabilis ang flow talaga ng pag-ubos ng food kaya kailangan mabilis ang refill at yung i-refill mo dapat mainit na agad. Kasi ganun talaga ang circulation of life. Malayo talaga yung pagbubuffet ng Eat All You Can versus pagbubuffet pag nag-e-event. Dumating na rin ang una nating bisita for the dinner set at ayan sa registration area. Checking tayo ng head count and payment. And here naman si Chef Edward reheating the refills. Habang ginagawa ko yung finishing touches for the buffet, I couldn't help but notice how beautiful the sunset dito sa Tagbakin Lakeview. This is really one of my favorite place dito sa Lipa. Ang lakas niya maka-melancholy. So back to reality, nagdagsaan na ang ating mga bisita for the dinner set. And syempre, nag-start na kami mag-open ng buffet. Ayun, so ang ganda ng dinner set namin. I went down to check kung kamusta na ba yung buffet after chatting with my mom. Tapos pagbaba ko, sabi ko, parang kilala ko to. Hindi ko talaga nakita yung name ni Miss Krisha sa sa listahan namin. Kaya nagulat ako na dumating siya at registered pala sila ni Sir Elmer. So bukod sa fangirling na ako, kabado pa ako kasi papasaba. Ayun lang mga kamari chef. Ito na kami, nag-aalsabalutan na. We are finally done. I am so grateful and proud of the team and all our guests. Thank you so much, Miss Tetay, for lending us your wooden chairs at nagbigay ka pa ng fresh flowers. Salamat din sa lahat ng nag-work sa Tagbakin Lakeview, sa Barangay Hall at very nice kayo sa amin. At syempre, hindi uuwing hindi makakakain ng Lomi Batangas at Goto Batangas ang Team Spandis. Ayun lang mga Mari Chef. Salamat! Bye-bye!